I went to the world of concrete in 2025. Got to see a lot of really cool tools. Got to talk to a lot of really cool people. A lot of people following the channel, which I thought was pretty real nice like. But I got to go to a lot of really cool booths and see a lot of really cool tools. I think you know where I'm going with this. But there's one company that you have to think of when you think of concretist work. That's right. It's Bosch. Now, Bosch is one of those companies that they go quiet sometimes. You don't really know what's going on with them, but they're always in the background because you know that they do so well with jackhammers and all that stuff. When you think of concrete, you think of Bosch. But when I stopped by their booth, I was pleasantly surprised with all the new tool releases they had, and that's what this video is about today. So if you're a Bosch fan, sit back, get relaxed, and well, let's just get this video going. So on this wall right here, we're gonna start with the blower, the crimpers, and the mixers. So the first one up is going to be the Bosch 18-volt SDS Max demolition hammer. That's the model number right here, and it's on special order. I'll try to attach everything to the shopping bag on the bottom right-hand side of this video, but $649 for this new demolition hammer. Now, I'm not going to read everything on every one of these pages because it's going to take forever to do that, but you can pause this video and you can see all of the features and the additional details and specifications right here. Now let's move it over to the next tool. All right, so the next one up, you can buy tool only or you can buy in a kit. This is the new 9-inch 18-volt brushless cutoff saw. Now I got to see this thing going, and I gotta be honest with you, it's pretty real nice like. So as mentioned, you can buy this two different ways. You could buy it tool only for $5.99, or you could buy it in the kit with the two 12 amp hour back rays and the charger with the software $9.49, and they're available for order right now. So what about the price of this thing? Well, the Bosch Pro Factor 18-volt 7.25-inch rear handle circular saw, you're looking at $249 for the tool only. Now again, I'm not going to read everything, but you can see the features on the right-hand side of this video. Just pause it and, well, you get all the information that you need. Now, I didn't have a chance to take video of every single tool there, but here's another one. This is the new Bosch 18-volt 1.25-inch recip saw. This is the bare tool, $249. On the right-hand side of this video, you can see those sweet features. So another new tool that was hanging up on the wall, and I have a couple other videos that I'll show you. This is the new Bosch 18-volt top handle jigsaw. This is the bare tool at $119. And once again, if you want the features, here they are right on the right-hand side of the video. Just pause it so you don't miss it. All right, so the next new one up is the new Bosch 18-volt Starlock Plus oscillating multi-tool 2 amp hour kit for $219. This is what is included, and then the additional details, as you can see with the features. So top speed up to 20,000 oscillations per minute, improved cutting angle of 3.4 degrees. Let's move it to the next one. Now again, they do have a new 18-volt brushless half-inch chuck mud mixer, 650 RPM, but I don't have a lot of information on that, so let's keep going. Bosch really trying to step it up in the world of woodworking. This is the new 18-volt brushless Colt palm router, $219 for the bare tool. You'll get a few accessories in the box. You'll get the edge guide. You'll get a few things for your dust collection. If I scroll down right here, you can see that we got some features. So if I bring this over to the right, what do we have? We have the 1.39 peak horsepower and 10,000 to 30,000 RPM. You can read over here if you want to. This is the new 18-volt Bosch biscuit joiner. It's a bare tool, $269. I don't use biscuit joiners, but some people do, so I guess to each their own. I think a lot of people are going to like this, and some probably won't. I'm curious to know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Do you use the biscuit joiner? Sounds delicious. But here's the features on the right. Just go ahead and pause this video and read through if you want. Now, you can't really talk about Bosch and not talk about their laser levels. This is the new 12 volt leveling and alignment laser, $579 for this. They really pioneered this market and made these things what they are, and everybody sort of followed suit. They do a really good job with these lasers. So again, $579. If I scroll down, here are some of the features, and I will just leave this right in the middle of the screen for you to pause, and you can read that if you want. So bright green beam laser projects up to 4 times brighter and standard red beam. So everybody going green, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I know that was stupid. Anyway, they have a bunch of other tools there too. They have the new blowers and again the crimpers. Here's some new nailers. This is a short video that I was gonna post, and I'll just put it right here. If you're a fan of Bosch, they got a lot of new stuff in the world of concrete. So all new grinders, new band saws, a bunch of new grinders, new impact wrench, new concrete saw, new mixer. Check this out. New nailers. Boom, 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 boom. 18 gauge, that's a brad nailer. Narrow crown staple. 16 gauge finish nailer. Finish nailer. They got a new recip saw. This is all new stuff. New palm router. New jigsaws. New rear handle saw. Over here you got a bunch of new blower. All kind of stuff. So good on Bosch. I was really excited to see all the new stuff that they had at the show and some of the stuff that we were familiar with. So it doesn't matter if you're into the concretus or the woodage. They got a little bit for everybody. So I'm excited to see what they do in the future, and I'm glad to see that they're sort of putting more things out on the market for everybody to take a look at and make your life easier if you are using these tools while you're working and making some money. So let me know what you think in the comment section below about these new tools. Love hearing that sweet feedback. And if you want to see another cool video from the world of concretus, check out this video down here. We'll be back with more videos soon.